new Scarlet reviews and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. All right, so this is an Influencer Vox box unboxing, and I should have been done this, but I just haven't had the time, so I'm doing it now. And Influencer, if you guys are not familiar with Influencer, I do have an unboxing on Influencer, my first Influencer box. I've been with Influencer for a long time, like over a year, and my first box was that video, and I was like, wow. It's because I have not been participating in the community. So you need to participate in the community. You need to do the reviews, you need to do the badges, the surveys, and things of that nature in order to get an Influencer box. If you do not participate in those types of things, then you will not get the Influencer box. So you need to be very active in the community, do the reviews, show it on Instagram, do reviews on the products that you receive and products that you do have, you know, and that's what I've did. That's what I've done. I did reviews on products on the Influencer website. I took a picture of the product and I reviewed it, and you don't even have to take a picture of it. You could just review whatever product that they have on there, and you can review it. It could be snacks, it could be whatever the case is. And the survey, you take a survey, and based upon the survey answers, you will get an Influencer box. Okay, so you have to make sure to check your email, and they'll let you know when you are on the short list. They'll let you know if you are available for the next box. Okay, so that's what you have to do, because sometimes, you know, you can miss that email, so make sure you check your email and things of that nature. So you have to be very active in the community. Okay, so that's how you will get your free Influencer box. You don't have to pay for anything. It's free. They'll let you know, and they make sure that they have the right address and things of that nature, and that's it. Okay, so I hope I gave a brief synopsis of it. I will put the information down below. I'll put the website down below, and they also have an app as well. Okay, all right, so this is the box. Influencer, it came like this, the very nice beautiful blue, and they have Dermalogica. Okay, so this is a cleansing pre-cleanse balm. Healthier skin begins with step 0. Okay, so I'm going to open it. This was very easy to open, and this is okay. All right, so this is the pre-cleanse balm, okay, and this is probably what you use prior to. So let me open it. Let me try to open it. Okay, hold on, y'all. All right, so this is the pre-cleanse balm. Okay, let me get up close, y'all, because what am I doing? Okay, this is the pre-cleanse balm. Okay, and I don't know what the consistency is because they have it like that. So that's the balm. And then this is the special cleansing gel. Okay, that's what's up. And I think that's it. So, yeah. All right, it says, say hello to your cleanest skin ever. And on the back it says double cleanse equals double clean. The Dermalogical double cleanse is a deep clean that removes layers of buildup of makeup and debris for ultra clear, selfie ready skin. Here's how it works. Step 0, massage pre-cleanse balm onto dry, dirty skin to melt away impurities. Rinse. Step 1, lather special cleansing gel in wet hands and apply to face and throat. Rinse for clean skin. Pro tip: customize your clean. The included dual-sided cleansing mitt features long and short bristles to gently exfoliate. Oh, let me see. I didn't see that. Hold on. I don't see no mitts. I don't see no mitts, y'all. Oh, the mitts are in here. Huh? Look at the mitts. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's mitts here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you use this. Okay, I'm sorry, Derma Cleanse. I was like, I don't see nothing in here. I'm all throwing stuff all over the place. Okay, so that's what's up. All right, so there we go. All right, so that's the mitt there. So you use the mitt to cleanse, and there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna let my nephew use this. And that's basically it about that. And they got the directions on how to do it and everything else of that nature. All right, so that's it. This was a quick unboxing. I wanted to unbox it so you guys can see this. And again, like I said before, you need to participate in the community so you can get a free box. You don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to pay for anything. As long as you participate in the community, and you will get a free Influencer box. You can do it on Instagram, and whatever the case is, I don't think you have to have a YouTube. So you can do it however you want to do it. You know, to those of you out there that's at home and you have an Instagram and stuff like that, do it, and you can get a box and review it on Instagram. You can even probably type a whole review on Instagram. I think that's what you can do too. So yeah, so definitely do that, because they have snacks and stuff too. Y'all, I had got some fruit rolls, another one. But anyway, let me stop. But anyway, that's basically, I did though, but I'm just saying. Well, anyway, that's it. So this was a quick video. I'm sorry to be talking fast, but Gotta give me something to eat, and I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. So that's basically about that. I did like about 3-4 videos, but that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Get your influencer Vox box, participate in that community, and that's it, you guys. All right, thank you for watching. That's Marquina. Oh, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.